I'm Ben Cunningham and I'm the Managing Director of Celtic Trails Walking Holidays. We are a family-based business and we've been running walking holidays along Offa's Dyke for almost 25 years. Our job is to make it hassle-free for walkers to enjoy the whole of the path without having to worry about any of the transfers, any of their luggage, and then we take care of everything. The stories we get back from walkers are the friendship and the hospitality that they see along the way. So whether it's meeting other walkers or whether it's the hosts, people come back and tell us about those connections. Offa's Dyke is a really fantastic path. It is a coast-to-coast path. It walks the border of two countries, and the variety in scenery you'll struggle to find on another path. It's got the valleys, it's got the hills, it's got the nature, the beauty. So just behind you there are some ducks swimming across the river. It's a historic walk, so obviously it follows Offa's Dyke, but along the path you've got castles and abbeys and history at every turn. And you can walk as much of it or as little of it for as many miles as you want. There is something for everyone.